Today I am going to draw a taxi, so let's get started. Draw the body. Start with a straight line, then draw two curved lines on both sides. Then draw a straight line and add a curved line with it. Now draw one more straight line and add a curve with it. Then draw a straight line. Now add wheels. Draw a circle for the wheel at the left corners of the taxi. Then draw a straight line. Then draw a circle for the right wheel. Then draw one more line. Now draw a curved line for front light of taxi. Then draw a small square for back light of taxi. Now draw some more circle in both wheels. Now draw the windows. Draw windows on the sides of the taxi. Then draw two small rectangular shapes for handles of taxi. Now draw a shape on the top to write a taxi on it. Now refine the shapes and ensure all lines are smooth and connected properly. Now go over your marker to finalize the drawing and make it more prominent. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. Now our drawing is completed. So it's time to add some colours. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids. Feel free to adjust the details to match the style of taxi you want to draw, whether it's a classic yellow cab or a modern city taxi.